How to reset WhatsApp into an encrypted password. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, head to your web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now search WhatsApp forgot password. Now scroll down a bit and open up this website. Now tap on the three lines. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on contact us. Now under WhatsApp Messenger support, tap on contact us. Now fill up the details, email address, and describe your issue and tap on next step. Wait for some time until WhatsApp team contacts you. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.